Today we are going to dive into the world of chicken wings. This chicken wings tastes better than the restaurant. Very delicious, juicy, and mwah. Here is our chicken wings, washed and dried. Okay, and by the side of these wings, we have the ingredients we're going to be using to make this super delicious. Now let's get into it. First of all, we add some salt, a pinch of salt, a little bit. Okay, we have garlic powder. We went ahead to add some chili flakes, pepper, all to your taste. If you want it extra spicy, add more. We'll go ahead and add some paprika, of course. I went ahead to add some black series. Thyme. And this is a complete spice. Of course, we're not going to forget our ginger, garlic, and onions. We're just going to blend it together and pour it inside the mixture. Okay. Add some seasoning cube powder. Then go ahead and use your God-given hands and massage. Let everything penetrate inside the wings. Massage thoroughly. So you can just cover it up to marinate for like 20 minutes. You can just go ahead and proceed to the next step. After all, it will still taste good if you season it well. So get a stick of butter and divide it into two. We're going to be using half. Toss that half into the pan. And let's start cooking. At this point, add in some chunked garlic. Don't forget this part because it's super important. Okay, then sprinkle some thyme into it. Some thyme or rosemary. I'm using thyme because this is what I have. Then toss it together to incorporate. Then go ahead and introduce your chicken wings. Look at that, juicy. Stir fry for a few minutes. Keep turning as it fries, okay, so that all the chicken will incorporate properly with the sauce. All right, when it starts looking like this, the chicken is half done. At this point, then you go ahead and transfer the chicken into your air fryer like you're seeing in the video. Oh, look at that juice. Pour everything inside, okay? Then put it straight into your air fryer. Let it fry for 10 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit or more. Then as it is frying, let's prepare our sauce. We're going to be adding some ketchup, some barbecue sauce. Oh, still ketchup. Barbecue sauce. Go ahead and also season it to your taste, guys. Honestly, I added more paprika here, and I also added some onions, and garlic powder. This toasted sesame oil is divine. Just go ahead and add some. Did you see that? At this point, our chicken is done. Look at that. Look how the juiciness. Look at the beauty of these chicken wings. Are you gonna be trying this? Let me know down the comment section below. And if you're still watching, please like, share, leave a beautiful comment. Enjoy with your family and friends after making this video. Don't forget to tag me, okay? This is 10 over 10 out of nothing. It tastes better than the restaurant's chicken wings. I can bet you on this, okay?